see the whole area I cleaned up, but cleaned up this whole section and under here. We got to come back and do another load for all that stuff if they want us to come back. All right, guys, we're back for day 2. Today we're gonna actually be unloading these few trailers, and then there's a pile of trash over there as well that we're gonna put on the trailer. So all this stuff on top of here, and all the stuff on top of here, and then over here, this pile as well. So we're gonna see how much we can fit onto our trailer, and then I'm gonna pump up the tires on these and try to get these trailers out of here as well, and maybe even put this trailer on top of that trailer. So now we're gonna get to it. All right, guys, we got this trailer cleared off. You can hear the pump going over there. This tire did not take air, so I'm gonna see if this spare tire will fit, but it actually looks like that's a different size, so I don't even know if that's gonna work. We might just try to run this with 3 tires. And then we got this one cleaned off, so we're gonna pump up these tires too. I might try to put this trailer on this trailer to make it all in one load, but now we're gonna go pick up this pile over here. All right, guys, we got most of that cleaned up. As you can see, my trailer's pretty full. We got a little bit more trash I'll show you guys in a second to grab. Then I tried wenching this trailer onto that one, but it's not gonna work out. This trailer's too wide, but I'm gonna pick up these 2 trailers later. So now we're gonna head over to another trailer. All right, guys, so here's the other trailer. So we're actually gonna take this trailer as well. We're gonna just get the rest of the trash off the top and throw it on here. So I'm actually trading all my work for trailers at this job, believe it or not. So when I get all of them back to the pond at the end, I will let you guys know. But there's also another trailer back there. So total, I think we're gonna be taking 5 trailers. So pretty exciting. And we're gonna load this up and then take it to the dump and come back for this trailer. All right, guys, I'm back at the property and I got these 2 trailers here now. So this one is probably about 18 feet long. Maybe that one's 18 feet long as well, but they're both double axle. This one had no problem driving. It does look like it's got like a flat tire here, but these tires don't look as bad. But that one only had 2 good tires. So I drove the whole way on 2 good tires. But yeah, let me know in the comments what you guys think these are worth. I mean, this is like a equipment trailer. So I'm hoping it's worth probably, I don't know, 3,000 to 5,000. And that one I'm hoping 1,500 to 2,500 for that one right there. But let me know what you guys think. I mean, obviously I got to get new tires and everything for them too. And if you look way down there, you can see the RV I got from the same property. I have to go back tomorrow on a Saturday. I don't have any help again, but I'm gonna do another load of trash for the guy. And then I'm gonna get another trailer, that little metal one that you might have just seen. And then I might buy a triple axle trailer off him too. So if I get that one, I'll let you guys know. But that one, I gotta buy off of him for $2,000. But I think those are worth some good money too. So let me know in the comments what you think these are all worth. Next time you see me, I'll be back at the property getting more trash. All right guys, I got this trailer loaded up and now I'm gonna go to the dump and then I'm gonna come back and pick up that little silver trailer. All right guys, I got that strapped down. Over there was this other trailer, which he actually said I could just have. So I have no idea what kind of trailer this is. Leave a comment. Looks like it folds back and it can become longer. So that's kind of interesting. And it has these wheels on it. So that might be, you know, portable for something. So yeah, let me know what you guys think about that. And I'm gonna probably put this on top of that silver trailer if I can get it on there. But yeah, I'm gonna go to the dump and then try to pick up these other trailers. And the other trailer I want is way back there. So I might go pick up a pintle hitch and try to get that trailer too. That's a triple axle trailer. So now I'm gonna head to the dump. All right guys, I am back. I'm gonna move this trailer out of the way. And I'm gonna back my truck right there all the way back here. I had to buy a pintle hitch from Tractor Supply Plus. Ended up actually being like $300. So that was an expense that I did not expect. But here's the rest of this guy's yard. So you can see there's a lot of stuff here. So we might be doing a lot more loads, but this is the last trailer that he has. He said before I came here, there was actually 4 other trailers. So I hear something back here actually. I don't know what that was. But yeah, I gotta move all this stuff right here and then try to jack up this trailer. Hopefully be able to pull this thing out. So yeah, it's actually got a whole all metal top. So it's a big solid trailer. As you can see, it's got 3 axles here. Don't know if these tires are any good. We will find out. There's some other tires if you need one. This thing is insane. So I gotta move all this stuff out of the way and then hopefully be able to pull that thing out. So I don't even know what this is, just a basket of plastic. So I'm gonna move this stuff out, back my truck up, and then hopefully pull that trailer out. All right, I'm gonna attempt to back my truck into there from right there, and hopefully I might have to jack this trailer up with my jack. Hopefully it even works, but we'll see what happens. All right guys, I got that trailer out of there, and guess what was underneath it? A pintle hitch. Obviously we don't know, there's a little roach too, if this thing even is worth saving, but I thought it'd be funny to show the customer. But yeah, I'm gonna try to load up those other 2 trailers onto that big trailer and then take it all back to the property, and I'll make a video there. It's the next day and I have all the trailers here, so I wanted to quickly go over how much I paid for them, and then maybe you guys can give me a good idea on how much you think they're worth. And I kind of got a general idea of how much I think they're worth, so let's go over them all. So this is the first one. This is a double axle equipment trailer. It's got the ramps on it. The wood, not sure if I'm gonna have to replace that or not. I might just try to pressure wash it and put a stain or something on top, or a sealant. This one I paid $1,000 for, and I traded work for all these pretty much, but some of them I did buy as well. So $1,000 for this. And if you guys don't know, I'm looking to get a skid steer or a Bobcat in the future, so this will be perfect for that. It does need new tires, so $1,000, maybe $400 for the tires, $1,400. And then this seems like it's good, this hydraulic jack. It's got a double wheel thing on it, but this is the one that comes with this. I might invest in getting a better hydraulic pump there. Then we got to just check to see if the lights work, which I did not check that, so that might be something too. But the guy actually gave me 2 free wiring kits as well, so I think these are probably, you know, anywhere from 5,000 to 7,000 brand new. Obviously this isn't brand new, it's old, but I think I can spray paint it, and I think it's easily probably worth 4,000 if I got it all fixed up. So if I put 1,400 into it total, you know, there's room for profit there. Let me know what you guys think on that. I might do videos on these too, just showing me, you know, putting the tires, spray painting, sealing them, just to see the before and after. So I might do that. Don't count on it, but I'm really thinking about doing, you know, a trailer flip. You can see these are all the trailers I got, so we got a lot of potential for videos there. So this is the second one. Now this one is better because I only paid $100 for this. So if somebody were to sell me this trailer for $100, I would take that any day of the week. It's a double axle. It doesn't have a gate or anything on the end, but this is something that, you know, you could build up sides on it and definitely use it to haul stuff. It needs all new tires probably. I'm probably gonna get new tires on all of them. So 4 new tires, probably figure $100 each on each tire. So $400, probably $500 total with the tires and the price I paid for it. Now this one I don't know about because it's got jacks. It's got a jack here, it's got a jack there, it's got a jack here. I might do the same thing and just replace this main jack, get rid of all that stuff. And this one's cool because it's got a winch on it, but I might get a battery powered one, maybe build a box, put a battery here, and you could almost make this into like a car hauler at that point. So maybe I'll get some ramps and that'll be perfect for cars. So who knows, I might just keep it, but I also might just flip it. I think these are probably worth anywhere from $2,000 to $4,000 in good condition. So once I paint it, put a new jack on it, put some tires on it, you know, I might be around $700-800 if I put a winch on it too. But if I can sell it for 3,000, there's still, you know, room for profit there. So that one I think is cool, but I really might keep that other one. So then this is the granddaddy of them all. This is a triple axle, metal top on it, which is really nice. I need to just pressure wash it, no rust. That's what I love about being in the South, is this stuff doesn't rust. But this thing's heavy duty. I have no idea how much it weighs, but my 3,500, pulled it like it was nothing. But I got to get all new tires on these, so $100 a tire. There's 6 tires, so that's $600, and I actually paid $2,700 for this trailer. So that's a lot of money to spend on a trailer just off the bat. But I think it's probably worth anywhere from $8,000 up to maybe $13,000 for a trailer of this size with 3 axles like that. Heavy duty, you can put like a excavator or something on it and pull it. And I had to buy the pintle hitch as well, you know, so my truck could hook up, and the pintle hitch alone was like $300 just to connect to that. And here's the one I found underneath the trailer. So that must have been the original one, but I think that's seen better days. So yeah, this one I'm probably definitely gonna fix up and sell, because this is where I'll make my money. So, you know, $600 for the tires, maybe a couple hundred for some paint. This one doesn't have a jack at all, so I don't know if I'm gonna invest. I don't even know where that jack was. It might have been right through here. It looks like they got, you know, I don't know how the wiring is on this either. So I might end up putting into it like $3,500 total, and then I have to sell it. So who knows what I'll get for it, but I think anywhere from $8,000 to $12,000. I might list it high and see what happens and go from there. But let me know what you guys think this one's worth. And then this one here, he actually gave me this for free. He didn't even know he had it. So, I mean, obviously it needs a new tire, but this one might just need a new tire, and that's pretty much it. It's got the jack on it. It's got the chains. I don't even think it has lights. So it's actually interesting. That part folds over, and I'll show you here. It's got these little wheels. So this might just be like a little portable one for a sign or something. I have no idea, but it was literally free. All I had to do was put it up on this trailer, strap it down. So that one, I'm thinking probably $400 max is what I'll get for it. But I actually have an extra tire too, so I won't really have to put much money into this one. But if I do have to put tires on it, that's a couple $100, and then I'll probably try to sell it for like 600. And then last but not least, well, actually we have one more after this too, but this is a big metal one, and there's a pin right here, so you can actually pull that pin and it'll dump. So that part will fold up, and if you have a big heavy load, you can pull that pin, and it's kind of like a dump trailer. But these tires didn't look terrible. I might just try to sell this thing as is, and I'll probably try to get 900, you know, and see what happens. It's a dump. It's all metal as well. I mean, obviously they could weld a little bit better, but maybe 900 to 1100 for that as is. So those are potential, and I only paid 100 for this one. So actually I might have got that one for free, because when he told me about this one, he said 200 for this one, and I said, okay, that's fine. He said I could have that metal one for free if I took this one. So that's why I'm kind of like 100 there, 100 here. But either way, I think there's definitely money to be made off of all of these. So that's 5 trailers right there. And then we'll look at the 6th one. You can see it in the distance. This thing was only $100. So it's a double axle trailer. Worst case, I would rip off this box and sell that frame and everything for like 12 to 1500. But this is actually a pretty cool old piece, and I think I can probably get 3,500 to 5,500 for it. But let me know in the comments too. That might just be ridiculous, but the least I'll probably take for it is 1,500. So that still has potential too, because I'm not really going to do anything to this one either. I don't even think I'm going to put tires on this. If somebody wants it, they can have it. I mean, there's chunks missing out of the tires, but who knows? We'll just kind of have to see how it goes. At some point, I'm gonna get all this stuff off of my property. So as you can see, we got a lot of projects to do here. All right, guys, well, thanks for watching as always. And we might actually be going back to that property later on, but they're from California, so they are leaving for a while. So if I go back there, I'll let you know. He's got an RV and some other stuff too that we're gonna try to sell. So thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit that notification button, and let me know how much all this stuff is worth.